So hello all, welcome to TechParameter. Today we will learn how to create a Hello World program in Java. So let's get started. So first of all, boot up your IDE. I'm using IntelliJ and create a new project. So let's create it. I will name it Hello Java. You can name it anything. As you can see, the project is created and the source folder is empty. So we will have to create a new class. So we will create it and we will name it my program. As you can see, here's a bit of boilerplate code. So ignore it for now. We will learn about it in the later tutorials about what is a class and object and all that. Let's focus on the main objective of the tutorial, which is to print hello world. So we will write public static void main string args. This is the main method. Now here's the main command. We will type system.out.println, which stands for print line, and we will enter the value. So I will write hello world and the program is ready. As you can see, here's no configuration, so we will create it fastly. Java scratch main class my program. And we will give it a path apply, okay, and we will run it. Let us give it a few seconds. And as you can see, the hello world is printed. So that's it for this video, and I will catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.